And now we're on to Module 5, Lesson 6, the last of the problems. So go ahead and try this one on your own. Click Continue when you're ready to check your work. Okay, so I see I have a bunch of stuff in parentheses, and we need to remember when we have a power, we take on parentheses, it goes to everything inside those parentheses. So this first one, we actually need to do 3 squared. So that square goes to the 3, and it also goes to the t squared. 3 squared is 9. T squared raised to the second power. We need to remember when we have a power raised to a power, we're going to end up multiplying these. So this is going to end up being 2 times 2. So this first one's going to simplify down 9t to the 4th. If we apply that same logic and that same rule, remember this 3, this cube on the parentheses is going to go to both things. So it's going to go to the 2, and it's also going to go to the t to the 3rd. So when I look at this, I should say 2 to the 3rd, that would be 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And then t to the 3rd cubed as well. Remember, we multiplied those together, so this would be 3 times 3 is 9. So this ends up being t to the 9th, and we still have that multiplication symbol in between. Now, I can simplify using my other rules. I can reorder this so that I have 9 times 8 next to each other, so we can make that look nice. And then we have t to the 4th times t to the 9th. 9 times 8 is 72. That one I know right off the bat. And then here, if we have the same base being multiplied, we can add their exponents. So we can simplify this a little bit further. And this goes 72. I'm sorry, that should have been a 9 there, right? I was jumping the gum. 72t to the 13th. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the review problems that we wanted to show you. Now, remember, you got some games left on your review to practice with. Go back and any of these that you struggled with, go back to those lessons. You have that ability. Go backwards, watch the videos in those lessons, work out a couple of the problems, do what you got to do. All right? Good luck on the test. If you need help, call your teacher, call your teacher, call your teacher. And we'll see you guys next time.